Rakuten. We build with care. Thank you. Good afternoon and assalamualaikum and a very good afternoon to everyone. Okay, thank you for being here today. I am here as a CEO of Rakuten 3D Printer to tell you about our product 3D printing concrete. Okay, before we move further, let's me to azmir to tell you overview about our product.
Okay, hi everyone. Okay, basically the overview of our project is kick-off meet eco-affordable house. Our project is collaboration with Ministry of Housing and Local Government. So it consists of 3 concrete with 3 different house. And we have gained very recommended house award in 2018. So we are the first company that using 3D printed concrete in Malaysia. So next I will tell about the objective. So basically the objective, we have 7 objectives. So first, to introduce our company and organization, to introduce our first client, to explain about our project, to brief the advantages of product, to identify the competition in market, to explain the material properties, and to explain the implementation of the process. So I will give back to Mr. Roslie to talk about the literature review, introduction of our company, and introduction of our client.
Thank you, Mr. Azmir. Okay, for the literature review of the research of our product, okay, 3D printing is a manufacturing process of that build layer to create a 3D model in digital object from a digital model. Okay, based on our research, according to Hegel, 2016, in journal 3D printing build of building for sustainable future, 3D printing has become new, faster growing technology. High technology development in today's construction technology is more sustainable built environment compared to the old method, conventional method. Okay. According to 2015, he said 3D concrete printing result in a low cost and high speed construction method which allow for greater freedom in both architectural and structural design. He also said the advantage of this product is very clear. The product is high speed construction, no need of formwork, less heavy level, and most of all greatest high freedom to design. So the 3D printing house can provide cheap and efficient home house of low cost, low income for consumer. Okay. Now we go to the background of our company. Okay. Our company name is Rakuten 3D printed. What's mean Rakuten? Rakuten is a Japanese word that means optimized and easy-going person. We are experts in 3D printed concrete. What's mean 3D printed concrete? 3D printed concrete refers to the process used to synthesize the 3D model in successive layer of material to create an object such as structure component like a wall. For your information, we are the first company in Malaysia that expertise in 3D printed concrete. Okay. We offer a quick and cost-efficient way of building house. We also deliver all in one solution. First, 3D printer and automatic mixing system. Second, production of wide range, and finally, eco-friendly and green building. Okay, for our project, we have collaborated with Minister of Housing and Local Government for this project. Our target market is for young and youngsters, also fresh graduates to buy their first house. Okay. As you know, we are the first company in Malaysia use this new innovation and technology in construction method. Okay, now let's want Hamiz to tell you about the properties of our product.
Thank you, Mr. Roslie, as the CEO, 3D Printing Company. I am one more Hamiz, as a secretary in this company. So, I will talk about product properties. So, our product name is ECO. ECO means is combination from eco and affordable house. So, you can see that the 3D printing produce 3 types of house with 3 different concrete. First, about it is made from geopolymer concrete. Second, kirana, natural. It is made from natural concrete. And lastly is crystal. It is made from brick bricks. We move to the next. Okay. So this is paper compare 3 types of concrete. So I would like to explain to you one of them. So I choose kirana. Kirana area 24 times 26 feet. Location at Melbourne, Melaka. Price 105,000. And lastly, type of concrete is natural. So we can move to the next slide. So this table is comparison between 3 types of concrete. So I already divided into 5 categories. So the first one is fire resistant. Second, safe energy. Third, waterproof. Fourth, thermal resistant. And lastly, is chemical resistant. So if you can see that 3 types of concrete has their own advantage and disadvantage. So we move to the previous slide. So maybe you want to ask, why have we used geopolymer? Because all our engineer has their own reason based on situation. So we can move to the third table. So this table is comparison between 3D printed method and ordinary method. If you know, ordinary method is method that all contractor in Malaysia use based on that has been standardized all engineer. So first, 3D printed method only use 2 workers and will be finished within 96 hours. While ordinary method need 100 workers and finish very long time. So for the cost, 3D printed method more cheaper than ordinary method. For safe energy, 3D printed method higher than ordinary method. And lastly, 3D printed method productivity increase up to 60%. So next slide. So this table is compared within geopolymer cement and ordinary Poland cement. So for price, geopolymer cement cheaper than OPC 20%, within 20% until 40%. For the second one, it's 10 times more safe energy compared to OPC. So this is sample for Hebel house, Kirana house, and lastly Vista house that has been great our architect. That's all for me, then I will pass to Mr. Syamim.
Assalamualaikum and good afternoon to all here. Today, the reason of me to stand in front of you all to explain about the advantage of 3D printed concrete. 4 elements that we take that is to increase productivity of the company and to save time. Besides that, we also can save cost. Next is to save to minimize the labor used in certain construction site, and lastly to maximize the creativity of the architect to build a single house. Okay, let me explain the first point, that is to increase the productivity of the company and to save time. As an engineer, time is very important. This is because when the mixing process, the mixing of the material used to build the house and one architect. So it will minimize the labor used to build a single house. And lastly, the benefit of the 3D printed concrete is to maximize or inject the creativity of the architect. This is because the architect can fully design, and what was imagined by the architect can be realized by using the machine. So the 4 points that was explained by me is can be proved. So the 3D printed concrete is very useful for nowadays. Thank you. Now I will invite Syazwan for his speech.
Okay, we proceed for the competition in market. Okay, 3D concrete printing is an innovative and advanced method used to design printing components by using 3D concrete printer. It has a lot of advantages. So, according to the research, it was published by the Market Research Future. It has stated that 3D concrete printing will expected to gain prominence over the forecast period. So currently, this sector market is spreading due to the increasing FDI. What is FDI? FDI is a foreign direct investment, which is an investment made by the investor to invest in a company. So it will give more advantage, such as give access and control over the company. Okay. We all know that 3D printing use much lower cost, so it will also give you can make the down payment of the house more lower. So it will attract and encourage youngsters and home buyers to buy their first house. So this in turn will push the construction industry and will lead to increased demand in the 3D printing concrete. So also the 3D printing concrete will use recycled material, industrial waste, building waste to make it more efficient and lower. It can give you lower cost. So it will give you positive influence for the market growth to the 3D printing concrete. So as we all know, Malaysia is it's located at the Asia region. It is expected to be the fastest growing region for 3D concrete printing. We are the first 3D printing concrete company in Indonesia. The 3D printing concrete is intended for the wall, slab, roof, and so on. So the world is segmented and accounted for the largest market share value, which is 32.60% in 2016. This is because the wall is the essential structure for the building construction. So we all have in Asia, we have competition with the international competitors, which is China, but we can make some improvement and increase our name by expand our product.
Okay, next I will explain and educate you about the material properties of our product. So, when we talk about concrete, we know the material properties. So, it consists of characteristic material properties. So, first, the grade of concrete and the compressive strength of concrete. So, the 2 point is depending on each other, because when we want to design a 25 megapascal of concrete, so the grade of the concrete is G25. So as a civil engineer, you must know this is the basic information that you must know. So the next point is characteristic strength of the concrete. So the characteristic of the concrete is designed using a formula. Characteristic of compressive strength of the concrete is equal to compressive strength of concrete plus the percentage of failure times with the standard deviation. So the next point is tensile strength of the concrete. So basically the tensile strength of the concrete is 1/8 to 1/12 of the compressive strength of the concrete. So the next is creep in the concrete. So basically the ultimate strength, ultimate creep coefficient of concrete for every type of concrete, either we use ordinary Portland cement or geopolymer cement, it's the same value, which is 1.6 at 25 days of loading. So next, the shrinkage of concrete. Next, the modular of ratio. So modular of ratio is the ratio of modulus of elasticity of the reinforced steel divided with the modulus of elasticity of the concrete. Next, the Poisson ratio. So for the high strength concrete, the Poisson ratio value is 0.1, and for the weak strength concrete, the Poisson ratio value is 0.2. So the durability of concrete, and last, unit weight of concrete. So unit weight of concrete is depend on the percentage of the reinforcement steel with the concrete. So it varies between 23 kN per meter squared to the 26 kN per meter squared. Next. So after a research to another research to another research, our company come with the 3 innovation, which is the first one is geopolymer concrete, natural material concrete, and brick concrete. So I will explain about each the innovation. So the first one is geopolymer concrete. So geopolymer concrete basically using a same as the ordinary concrete, but we substitute the ordinary Portland cement with the geopolymer cement. As Mr. Hamiz said before, geopolymer cement has 20% to 40% cheaper than ordinary Portland cement, and it can save 10 times save energy and can reduce 10 times carbon dioxide rather compared to the ordinary Portland cement. So next. So natural concrete. This is the best innovation our company found when make a research. So first, we don't use the like ordinary concrete. We use 25% of soil, 40% of straw, 25% hydraulic lime, and 10% of rice husk. So next, okay, the last one of our company innovation is using brick concrete. So basically, brick concrete is using the same as geopolymer concrete, but in the shape of brick. So the concept is we use for the brick concrete is interlock or a Lego, plug and play. So the method is when we arrange and plug the brick. So the brick has the hole in the middle. So in the middle of the brick, we put a reinforcement steel and fill the gaps with the brick with the geopolymer concrete. So it can increase the strength of the concrete. So that's all from me, and now I want to pass my baton to Mr. Nazri.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Ahmad. Okay, have you ever wondered if a house can be complete built within 24 hours? Okay. Hi, I'm Ahmad Nazri, Chief Technical Officer of Rakuten 3D Printing. Today I will explain to all of you about the implementation of project. Okay, the first thing I want to show you is the magic machine. Okay, so this is the magic machine, automatic mixing and supply system. From the name, we know that this machine has two main work, which is to mixing the mixture of concrete and to supply the concrete to the site. Okay. This machine is also unique. Why? Because this machine is placed in a container, which means this machine is easy to handle and portable. For example, if you have a project in Selangor and Melaka with a short period of time, so we don't have to rent any transportation to bring our machinery and stuff. This may cut cost for the transport. Next, I will tell you this machine is why this machine is magic. Okay, as you can see, this is the method of mixing using this machine. First, our professional worker will insert the recipe of mixture. The recipe consists of ratio, ingredient, and others. Okay. You just put all the recipe in the computer, and the machine will follow precisely according to the recipe. This makes our job as easy as ABC. After that, after the recipe is chosen in the computer, the machine will start mixing. Amazingly, surprisingly, it only take 15 to 20 minutes for the mixing job. After all the mixing job is done, the technician will open the gate valve and switch on the pump, so the concrete is ready to come to the site. Okay. Next, I will tell you about the main machine, which is 3D printing machine. From our research and study from the biggest company of 3D printing, they said that to build a house, they only need 24 hours. This equipment is very unique. This machine has high printing speed, easy of transportation and handle. It can move freely, which is 360 degrees. This is the main point why it can do the job fast. This machine has the height can reach height 3.1 meter. This is why the house can build double-story house. The arm can reach up to 8.5 meter. This is also the main point. It can build fast, and the machine is also durable, but the maintenance cost is low. Okay, next. Okay, next is our project. This is Kirana. Kirana, we use the natural concrete. This is apple. Okay, thank you.
So, I will conclude what we have explained to you guys. So, we have finally introduced our company, introduced about the client, introduced about product properties, brief about product advantages, educate competition in market, explain about material properties, explain about the implementation and process. So, without any voices, we end this presentation with thank you. So, before that, we want to show our motto. So, 1, 2, 3. We will